Hi, my name is Jessica Stranieri, Wella Professional Signature Artist.
And my name is Alicia Avanpre, and I'm also a signature artist.
And today I will be working on Bianca's color.
And I will be taking Bianca through a fresh new haircut.
So for Bianca's color today, our goal is going to be to lighten her up a little bit. I'll be keeping her within the neutral brunette family and strategically placing some lights throughout her parietal ridge area, leaving a dark halo on top so that she has some really nice overall dimension. I have identified her here at her base as a level 3. So she does also have some existing pre-lightened panels that I have identified as about a level 8 with some variations of level 7.
So for Bianca's cut today, we're gonna give her quite a bit of layering and opening her up a little bit. So right now she does have a 1 length, but especially taking the opportunity with all of the dimension that Jessica's gonna add into it, I'm gonna go ahead and bring quite a bit of this up as far as the layering is concerned, and then as well as opening up her fringe so you can see quite a bit more of that face that she's got going on in there.
So I am going and taking slight diagonal sections, and the diagonal placement is going to really help with the softness and the way that the highlights lay. I'm gonna go in and take a very fine slice, and I'll probably only place in a couple more because I'm gonna leave this top corner as my halo. Hold it pretty tight. I'm gonna start a little bit lower so that I can leave room to diffuse my lightener application towards the base. You can see that I am pinching the corners here as opposed to sliding across. Again, don't want to disrupt the product that is in the foil. And then I'm just going to go in here and just lightly fold the sides. So I'm actually going through, and the pieces that I need to bring back towards her natural color, going in and doing them separately with the Color Touch formulation. So this is the halo sectioning that we have left out. And excluding this point where the fringe starts, it's pretty much a diamond shape. And I based this off of her density, her texture, and where the hair is going to fall. So you can see that this is really nicely going to cascade over the lights that were placed in. So we'll still be able to see that dimension and be able to maintain her dark base. So this is our raw lift. So I tried to isolate some lightness, and then we want to go in. I'm going to fan out my swatch to match the texture of the hair. So what that means is that in order to neutralize, I would really want to formulate with Pearl Violet to really go in and actually cancel that out.
So now that we have Bianca's color done, we're gonna go in, taking her fringe a little bit wider and further back, working off of our apex to create that sectioning pattern, as well as giving her really, really nice internal concave layering. So we're actually not gonna touch the line quite a bit at all. We're just gonna really focus heavily on layering to give her a whole bunch of dimension, a whole bunch of texture visually. So now that we have finished her all here, I'm just breaking up this fringe just a little bit so it's not quite so heavy. So you can see I've already started to create that over here. So I'm doing a few different techniques. I'm just bringing this up and then breaking into it just a little bit here. I'm also going to go in. Oh yeah, much better. Use the wide part of my comb, bringing it down, tapping, breaking into that just a little bit.
All right, and this is our finished result for Bianca. Just to recap, I did some lights with Blonde Orplex and 6%, some lows with Color Touch, 3/0 and 4/7-1, and then went in and toned a color melt with 06/02 in combination with 04/12, and the lighter shade going on her mid-length and ends, which was 07/12 and 05/98 in Shinefinity.
Yes, and then we went in right after that doing concave layering, starting at the front, bringing everything forward, over directing to preserve length, and then touching it up through the top with a nice set of a round brush blow dry. Looks beautiful.